Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. When it comes to unit testing in .NET, two of the most popular libraries are Xunit and NUnit. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between them often depends on the specific needs of your project, team familiarity, and personal preference. Overview of Xunit and NUnit. Xunit. Design philosophy. Xunit is designed to be simple and extensible. It promotes the use of conventions over configurations and encourages writing tests in a more modern style. Attributes. Uses attributes like fact for parameterless tests and theory for data-driven tests. Parallelism. Xunit runs tests in parallel by default, which can lead to faster test execution. Fixture support. Test fixtures are handled through constructors and idisposable instead of attributes. NUnit. Design philosophy. NUnit has been around for a long time and is very mature. It offers a rich set of features and is highly configurable. Attributes. Uses a variety of attributes such as test, test case, and more for various testing scenarios. Flexibility. Supports more complex test setups and has a rich set of assertions. Test fixtures. Uses setup, teardown, and test fixture attributes for managing test contexts. Choosing the right testing library. Here are some factors to consider when choosing between Xunit and NUnit. 1. Project requirements. If your project requires advanced features, like custom assertions or test case data, NUnit may be the better choice. 2. Team familiarity. If your team is more familiar with one framework over the other, that can be a significant factor. 3. Community and ecosystem. Both frameworks have large communities and good documentation. However, Xunit is often seen as the more modern choice. 4. Performance. If test execution time is critical, Xunit's built-in parallel execution can be beneficial. 5. Integration. Both frameworks integrate well with CI/CD pipelines, but you may want to check compatibility with your existing tools. Code examples. Using Xunit. 1. Install Xunit. You can add Xunit to your project using NuGet. Bash. .NET Add Package Xunit. .NET Add Package Xunit.Runner.Visual Studio. 2. Example test class. Xarp. Using Xunit. Public class math tests. Fact. Public void add underscore to numbers underscore return sum. / arrange. var math equals new math. Int a equals 5. Int b equals 10. / act. var result equals math.add, a, b. / assert. Assert.equal, 15, result. Theory. Inline data, 1, 2, 3. Inline data, 5, 5, 10. Public void add underscore multiple cases underscore return sum, int a, int b, int expected. / arrange. var math equals new math. / act. var result equals math.add, a, b. / assert. Assert.equal, expected, result. Public class math. Public int add, int a, int b, equals a plus b. Using NUnit. 1. Install NUnit. You can add NUnit to your project using NuGet. Bash. .NET Add Package NUnit. .NET Add Package NUnit 3 Test Adapter. 2. Example test class. Xarp. Using NUnit. Framework. Test fixture. Public class math tests. Private math underscore math. Setup. Public void setup. Underscore math equals new math. Test. Public void add underscore to numbers underscore return sum. / arrange. Int a equals 5. Int b equals 10. / act. Var result equals underscore math dot add, a, b. / assert. Assert dot arr equal, 15, result. Test case, 1, 2, 3. Test case, 5, 5, 10. Public void add underscore multiple cases underscore return sum, int a, int b, int expected. / act. Var result equals underscore math dot add, a, b. / assert. Assert dot arr equal, expected, result. Public class math. Public int add, int a, int b, equals a plus b. Conclusion. Both Xunit and NUnit are powerful tools for unit testing in .NET. Your choice should be guided by your project's requirements and your team's familiarity with the frameworks. Xunit's modern approach and built-in parallelism make it a strong candidate for new projects, while NUnit's rich feature set can be advantageous for more complex testing scenarios. Ultimately, both frameworks are capable of facilitating effective unit testing. Choosing between Xunit and NUnit for .NET testing. When it comes to unit testing in .NET, two of the most popular frameworks are Xunit and NUnit. Both frameworks have their strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between them can depend on various factors such as project requirements, team familiarity, and specific features. This tutorial will provide you with an overview of both frameworks, how to set them up, and code examples for each. Overview. Xunit. Design philosophy. Xunit is designed to be simple and to provide a modern approach to unit testing. It encourages best practices and is built for extensibility. Features. Supports parallel test execution. Provides a flexible test lifecycle. Uses attributes to denote tests and test cases. Use case. Ideal for developers looking for a lightweight framework that promotes clean code and practices. NUnit. Design philosophy. NUnit has been around for a long time and is very mature. It provides a comprehensive set of assertions and is known for its rich feature set. Features. Extensive assertion library. Support for parameterized tests and data-driven tests. Rich ecosystem with many extensions and tools. Use case. Suitable for teams familiar with its conventions and those who require extensive features out of the box. Setting up Xunit and NUnit. 1. Setting up Xunit. To set up Xunit in your .NET project, follow these steps. 1. Create a new project. Bash. .NET new Xunit and my Xunit tests. cd my Xunit tests. 2. Add reference to your application. If you have an application project, add a reference to it. Bash. .NET add reference /myapp/myapp.xproj. 3. Add Xunit new get package. If not created from the template, you can add Xunit via new get. Bash. .NET add package Xunit. .NET add package Xunit.runner.visual studio. 4. Write a sample test. Sharp. Using Xunit. Public class math tests. Fact. Public void add underscore to numbers underscore return sum. / arrange. Var a equals 1. Var b equals 2. Var expected equals 3. / act. Var result equals add, a, b. / assert. Assert dot equal, expected, result. Private int add, int x, int y, equals x plus y. 5. Run tests. Bash. .NET test. 2. Setting up NUnit. To set up NUnit in your .NET project, follow these steps. 1. Create a new project. Bash. .NET new NUnit and my NUnit tests. cd my NUnit tests. 2. Add reference to your application. Similar to Xunit, add a reference to your application. Bash. .NET add reference /myapp/myapp.xproj. 3. Add NUnit new get package. If not created from the template, you can add NUnit via new get. Bash. .NET add package NUnit. .NET add package NUnit 3 test adapter. 4. Write a sample test. Sharp. Using NUnit.framework. Test fixture. Public class math tests. Test. Public void add underscore to numbers underscore return sum. / arrange. var a equals 1. var b equals 2. var expected equals 3. / act. var result equals add, a, b. / assert. Assert.array_, expected, result. Private int add, int x, int y, equals x plus y. 5. Run tests. Bash. .NET test. Comparison table. Feature Xunit NUnit. -- Test attributes fact, theory test, test fixture. Parameterized tests yes, with theory, yes, with test case. Parallel test execution yes, with configuration. Assert syntax assert.equal. Extensibility high moderate. Community and support active mature. Conclusion. Both Xunit and NUnit are excellent choices for unit testing in .NET. Your choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prefer a modern, simple, and extensible framework, Xunit may be the right choice. On the other hand, if you need a rich feature set and are comfortable with its syntax, NUnit may be more suitable. In general, consider the following. Familiarity: what framework is your team more comfortable with? Project requirements: do you need any specific features that one framework provides over the other? Ecosystem: are there existing tools or libraries that work better with one framework? Feel free to experiment with both to see which one aligns best with your development style.